Wi-Fi smart switch,
which is upgraded with some new features for better user experience.
Now, let's install it for normal setup. Before the installation, please turn off the power circuit for safety. It's the Wi-Fi version with neutral wire required, so you need to wire the live line and neutral line properly, together with light 1, light 2 and light 3 line for this 3-gang switch to control 3 different lights.
After the complete wiring, install it into the switch box and screw the cover panel.
Now turn on the power circuit for switch power on.
This new switch is featured with fast pairing mode with Bluetooth enabled. Open your Smart Life app and add the switch quickly within seconds. Now you can control the switch lights independently via smartphones,
even with all on and all off button for your convenience.
Meanwhile, the manual control still performs well under the app mode. This version is also functional with multi-control association for controlling one light with 2 different switches.
Even you can add the association for each button by another 3-gang smart switch in the same app.
After the successful link, you can now control the 3 lights via another switch.
We have updated the new version with easier RF pairing method,
which is operated directly in the app, without complex pairing process, compared the old version. Now you have got the control on your lights via the wireless transmitter switch.
You can set the indicator status with off, on, off status and switch position for your own need.
You can add schedule for each light with flexible timer for auto on/off.
With countdown and inching available also.
Compatible with Alexa and Google Home for simple voice control on your house lights.
Turn off smart switch.
Okay.